Assalamu alaikum. Your Royal Highnesses, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's such a great pleasure to be with you this morning. My presentation is only for 10 minutes, so I promise you I'm not going to stand too much in the way of your engagements for lunch. So without further ado, I'm going to start presenting a little glimpse of what the future holds for human interactions with machine and the ecosystems around us. So 30 years ago, I made a similar presentation on what we were referring to as a Dick Tracy watch when I was at Qualcomm. And a lot of people laughed and they didn't think that anytime soon we will have a watch that we can talk into and communicate with. And so that happened a lot sooner than everyone had expected. What we are presenting here and what we are bringing to Saudi is the very first quantum photonics chip. I truly believe that it will revolutionize every industry, not only in terms of how we interact with the machines, how we see the metaverse, how we see holographics images, but also in terms of how we store energy, how we increase the yield of solar arrays, and many, many critical and foundational types of industrial and consumer types of applications. This session is about sustainability, and so I'm going to focus a little bit on the sustainability challenges that we have in front of us, and those are obviously many. UN has identified some of the key challenges that we need to tackle in the near term. And one of those, among others, is effectively food security and food safety that has to be addressed fairly quickly with certain technologies that would effectively increase the yield of crops and ultimately would provide for more supply of food staples around the globe. And one of the key points here is that in terms of the amount of land mass that provides all of the agricultural goods to us, it's a very small percentage of our planet. And so increasing the amount of food supply with some of the more advanced technologies is one of the key challenges that we are addressing with precision agriculture and various other technologies that are taking advantage of what we have developed as a end-to-end type of a solution. And in terms of the industries, there are many industries that can benefit from this combination of next-generation processing that goes beyond CMOS, goes beyond your typical silicon wafer into a process that effectively gives you a quantum photonics in the room temperature. So the ultimate future is quantum computing, quantum communications, and many others. But you saw some of the applications for digital twins, for metaverse. All of those have industrial applications on day one. And then on day two, effectively, they find their way into the consumer end of the business. We are fortunate to have our partner, Ostando, as the key enabler of this quantum computing technology. This is your typical glasses. It won't make you tired after 10 or 15 minutes of wearing them. Effectively, it's just two chips that are enabling these glasses to have a full view of the entire metaverse world or the entire holographic type of images that ultimately enables many of these applications in terms of services, retail, training, and design. And these are some of the critical applications in terms of increasing productivity and ultimately enabling people to address some of these sustainability challenges that are not very well addressed at this point in time. By virtue of providing for better training, for better work instructions, for effectively better collaboration, literally with a different kind of interface into the world. So, you know, our hands are free and you're effectively communicating through one very natural type of a device with everyone across the globe. The range of applications really go well beyond the industrial applications, and in fact, we will be demonstrating some of these applications here in Saudi within a very short period of time. We've done some, and we'll be rolling out on a larger scale basis with the complete solution that's edge-to-cloud computing and communications, and literally just one network fabric that is connected to your visual aid that effectively connects you to all of your surroundings and to everyone else on the face of the planet. And so with that, I really appreciate your attention and thank you for having us join you at this conference.